you be the one? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could you be the one? Could you be the one? Could you be the one? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could you be the one? Could you be the one? By the look in your eyes, the look in your...
So I couldn't wait to get back to the lab to eat this fish. So I'm checking it out on the way home. But alhamdulillah. It's a bismillah fish right here. This joint is good, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Good piece of fish. Not overly seasoned. Full review, you know. But I had to taste this in the car before I got back to the lab and really dissect this thing and dive into it. We got some other stuff. Seafood mac, the seafood salad, the shrimp, piece of complimentary cake, the fish lady, you know what I mean? And we went and got some soup from the other establishment that's there, Mizar Qahwa. Man, it's the bismillah. That's what it is for me.
YouTube food vlog, baby.
Good day, people. We here at YouTube Food Vlog. We would call her Wab, call her Yaf, call her whatever you want to call her. And I'm Abdul, your host. We're going to check out the Fish Lady and the other place. It was a pop-up shop. She works Thursday in Delaware, Friday and Saturday in Philly. Mizar Qahwa. It's like a coffee, tea shop. So I got the soup actually from them. It's like a chicken vegetable soup and a salmon bisque. But the fish, the shrimp came from her. The macaroni cheese, seafood mac and cheese, and also I got a seafood salad. So we're going to start off with the soups and check that out. And we got some, you know, she a cracker thief, so she still whole sleeves of these. If you had these in your house, she'd eat a whole box in one day. But we'll start off with that and check that out, see how that is. And this is from Mizar Qahwa. I'll put their description and everything down in the link so you know who they are. I'm going to tag these people. But this is the soup. The fish, I tried it. You seen it, you know, before this video came on the way back to the lab. It was irresistible. It was good. It's slightly seasoned. It's great. Everything is good. The soup, I ain't tried that yet, but I'm going to check it out.
Yo, what's cooking? YouTube food vlog knows all the great spots.
I'm back. That seafood salad. It does have shrimp and crab. Okay. The soup is actually good. How's that? The vegetables. Like crackers. They're good. Buttery. salad. A little cracker. Just that little right in there like that. Some noodles, shrimp. I'll close it up. Uh-huh. Want some fish? That's cocktail sauce. Nah. For the shrimp, tried those. They pretty good too. She don't eat mac and cheese. She don't eat cheese. Try this. Seafood mac and cheese has like shrimp in it. Nice size shrimp too. Even the shrimp that's fried is a nice size shrimp. That's the seafood mac. That's pretty good. Good cheese, cheddar consistency, everything. How you like the fish?
That's good. You can taste this one and everything.
It's not too salty though, right?
The shrimp is this? No, the fish.
The shrimp too salty?
Yeah.
Well, you know, her palate is a little bit different than, you know, us African American folks, so I don't know. I tasted it. I said it wasn't, you know, I don't know. But that's her opinion, and she got a right to it. So. Fish is good. So what you think? What's the best one you like?
I like the shrimp and the fish.
You like the shrimp like too salty.
It's not too salty, but you can taste the salt.
So what you not supposed to taste is seasoning.
That,
What you want, a bland? Then what are you looking for? Seasoning? Everything, I liked it. Everything tastes good. Even the soup. So the cafe is open actually Monday through Friday, and they're open on the weekend. They limited service on the weekend. They happen to be here this weekend. They sell teas, coffee. We got this hemp tea from them. So, passion fruit and mint. He also gave me a cake. This was complimentary for everybody that brought platters today. So I love this 7-Up cake. So she eating more shrimp, y'all. But remember what she said. So that's why you don't take everybody's word for certain things, because, you know, they'll tell you something, but they keep eating. I don't know. Look like she like it to me. Or she just a poor child to eat good food for free. Carry on, people. Have a good day. Pound cake, whatever. One of the best cakes. I like it. No matter who makes it. I haven't never had it when it was actually bad. You want me? Yeah, sure. Yeah, cake good. So check out their social media. Support them. Like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out our shop button on top of this video. Like, share, comment, hit those buttons. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please support us with the merch. It helps us go out, eat this good food, bring you back the reviews, travel, and find new places. Please comment, DM me if you know of places that you want us to go to and try and check out. They got good food, or even if they got bad food. Maybe we'll like it and you don't like it. So just let us know what's going on. Comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share, hit that notification button. Watch the videos. Please watch the ads because that helps us too. So don't skip the ads. Watch the ads. Thank you very much. YouTubeFoodVlog.com has all our social media links. Philly John is also a YouTube channel.
Oh wow.
Also,
Philly John.
hit the link tree in the bio. It'll take you to everything that we have social media wise. TikTok, Facebook, everything. So I'm your host, Abdul. It's another journey that we was on today. Qahwa, better known as Yafia.